Morning guys, so let's see our weight today. So 83.7, things are going well, hopefully, finally. Today's a pull day. My triceps, my right arm's triceps feel a little bit weird. I don't know, it's the way I slept or something, I'm not sure. But I think it's gonna be okay. So today's a pull day. And nothing is changing, same calories. Same kind of macros. Like I don't really care about them too much if you've seen my macro video. So, but nothing like drastic, all right? Yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys at the gym after having my breakfast. Okay, so I'm at the gym now. It's our pull day. I think the stuff that I was talking about in the morning, it's not my tricep, but actually I think it's my right lat. So we will see how it goes during the training. I mean, it's nothing major, but it's just kind of like a crampish kind of feeling. So it's probably the way I slept, you know. So these things happen every now and then, so it's not a big deal. But still gonna be a little bit more cautious. We are gonna start with real delts as usual and then continue. We're done with lat raises. The first question I'm going to be taking today for my right lat is switching chin-ups to pull-downs, alright? So I'm going to be going to one of the machines and I'm going to be doing pull-downs instead of the chin-ups that I usually do with my body weight, alright? So we have one more exercise left for our back. If you notice that I'm doing a little bit of rest pause in my last sets, so just to give you an update on it. Right. It's just because I feel like doing them, okay? So there's no specific reason at the moment, considering the fact that I'm just trying to lose weight. Back is done, and now on to biceps. Final exercise of today, Smith machine shrugs. Alright, we are done for the day. I will see you at recap. Peace.
Hey guys, so another day is done. This is our recap. So we had a pull day. It went quite well, to be honest. And the stuff that I was talking about, like about my lat, like this area, it's much better now. Like, I mean, I still feel like there's something wrong with it, but like it's nothing major. So, and it doesn't bother me unless I specifically pay attention to it, so nothing to worry about. It should be okay, like probably tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. As for tomorrow, I mean, this was, what day, 20? Yeah, this was day 20. Tomorrow is gonna be day 21, which is gonna mark the half of the 6-week series. So everything's going well, really well. Today the weight dropped a little bit further, another like half pound. So that's another victory for today. And as for tomorrow, I'm gonna be doing intermittent fasting again. And as I said, I'm not doing it because I believe in some magical properties of intermittent fasting. It's just because I really like this kind of a discipline in myself, you know. I enjoy this kind of stuff. So it's kind of crazy, but you know, that's how it is basically. So tomorrow I'm gonna be doing intermittent fasting. I'm most likely gonna start, I don't know, it depends on by what time I actually consume all my 2,600 calories for the day. And as soon as that is done, basically that's when my intermittent fasting starts. And it's most likely gonna go just as usual, I think, maybe like, I don't know, 6 p.m. or something, depending on my mood. And I will try to keep my calories a little bit low this time though, like on purpose. So I'm gonna try to keep it down to maybe less than 2,100, like somewhere around that range, okay? So it's gonna be like 500 calories less than what I usually do. And I also got a surprise for you tomorrow. So hopefully the weather is gonna be okay and I'll be able to show you some stuff. So make sure that you check out tomorrow's video, day 21. And aside from that, I mean, there's nothing new. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. If you have any questions, make sure to ask me. And that's pretty much it. I will see you guys tomorrow on our third active rest day.